Yo, what's good, gang? I am back.
Yeah, his YouTube channel failed.
Ooh,
I never started it because apparently it was on YouTube Kids.
how can the channel fail?
It didn't really fail, but like
He had no subscribers, no views.
it was.
I see.
He got -2 likes.
So it didn't work. It just didn't get much people watching.
No. It was on YouTube Kids, so it didn't make any sense.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
See that little girl who's my lead
Drake.